Hey guys, this is a vacuum request for the Hoover Decade 800, and here you have it. Here's the Hoover. As you can see, I made a bag change on it, and that's because the original bag that it had, it was beyond fucked. So there's no way of repairing it. So I just said, fuck it. I'll just put one of the Eureka bags I had laying around, and it works pretty good. Took a little bit of work to make it work with the base, but hey, as long as it works, go for it. And can't remember how I had it at first. At first, I had it to take it to Eureka style U bag with the Type A fill tube, but then I just went back to the F&G type. So now it does have an F&G bag on it. So yeah, it's a 2-speed, and it's got the 4 height adjustments. And yeah, oh shit, I think I left the belts off because I usually use this to clean the garage, around my my area of the garage. So I'll just put that back on and continue with the video. And we're back. Put the belt back on. I also forgot to mention that it does have the original brush roll on it. Might be a little bit loud, but oh well. It is what it is. And so yeah, let's get to cleaning. So there you have it. There's the Hoover Decade 800. Hope you liked it. And soon I'll be getting into with the other vacuum requests, which is my Sanitaire S8 SC899 versus the Bissell Power Force bag, which is right there. And I don't know what else. There's another request, and I'll just pick whatever that I have here. Oh, in the for the Kirby, come on, super tripod. I ordered parts for it, and the switch I ordered for it came in today, so I'll get that up and running. Oh, excuse me. Sometime this week, maybe today if I have time. So yeah, I also ordered new belts for the Sanitaires. So yeah, there's a vacuum. You get to focus. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.